it's time to actually construct an argument. Make an argument. Make a thesis statement that answers this question over here. And the question is, actually it's not a question, it's a statement, but that's what AP calls it. Evaluate the extent to which communist movements affected women's struggle for rights in the 20th century. All right, so when I'm talking about extent, I know I'm going to have probably a group that says not much and a lot. And then the rule of thumb is to try to have 3 groups. And so I use the system of 1 and 2 or 2 and 1. So not very much and a lot because of X or a lot because of Y. So let's go through here, and I'm going to use my handy dandy Guatemala paper here on the side and see where I can start fitting these into groups. All right, so for document 1, this was the lady who said that the women are helping and the women are important, but they're not being recognized. So we're definitely going to have a not much here, and document 1 fits that. And what I'm going to write below document 1 is women help in Rev, but not recognized. Need new social order. That's what document 1 said. All right, so let's go down to document 2 and see what we got. This was pushing for telling kids that they can't be in the junior communist party if their wives or their sisters or their moms were veiling. So I would say a lot. A lot is 2 words, isn't it? As another one of my groups, and for document 2 here, it's no veiling in the kid com party. So that's basically having a big impact to move women away from veiling. Now, is veiling a women's rights issue? Well, that can be argued one way or the other, right? Let's look at 3. This is Vietnam. And Vietnam is saying that women are super important and they're actually talking the talk and walking the walk. And so here I'm thinking about making a category that is a lot and substantive. So here it is, it's actually policies, okay? And substantive. So this is the Communist Party basically saying we're going to give equal pay. So that's document 3. It's Vietnam, equal pay, maternity. So as I'm thinking about the rest of the documents, maybe it's going to be something like they didn't do very much, they did a lot and they really followed through. And then I think my third group is probably going to be they said they were going to do a lot, but they didn't. And that could be over here in this group too. So let's see how it goes. Okay, document 4 is that there's not much increase in professionals. So that's USSR, little professional increase of women. Okay, that's pretty, that fits that pretty good, right? Okay. Okay. This is kind of a talk the talk here. It's going to push for late marriage, which in a way lets women be more independent and less dependent of husbands. They're promoting it by propaganda here, not by laws. Okay, so here is a lot in substantive through laws. And this is going to be through propaganda. And so we can have document 5, Chinese late marriage. Does it say birth control or birth planning? And I don't know when the pill is going to become a thing in China. I feel like, I know it's in the 60s in the US, and I feel like China got on board kind of quick about that. I'm not 100% sure. So since I'm not sure, I'm going to stay away from that. So that's propaganda for document 5. Document 6. Document 6 is propaganda too. It's Castro in Cuba saying women matter, but doesn't say how to help. No teeth in the argument. No laws. Where over here, we have them talking the talk and walking the walk. Over here, we just have them talking the talk. And let's see. Document 7 was basically, it was making life worse for these women. So let's see how we can figure this out.